It was supposed to be a quick video showing the reason for some of the lights on the left, right and rear of the aircraft, until this perfectly reasonable question about the terms port and starboard, which I answered honestly that I haven't heard anyone refer to the left and right of an aircraft by those terms for probably over a decade. Jeff, an airport firefighter, was quite upset about this and calls my competence into question. There's a small company with a couple of aircraft dotted around the world called Cessna. There's a POH here for their best-selling model, the Cessna 172. They've messed up by calling their wings left and right. How the fuck am I supposed to get round a pre-flight without getting confused halfway round and go back the way I came? What about this one? Piper is a 16-year-old running a small aeroplane manufacturing business in his dad's shed in Vero Beach. Same thing. Absolutely outrageous. I get why in firefighter induction training they might emphasize port and starboard for their own communications. You don't want to spray the contents of your hose in the wrong direction. I've learned that one the hard way. You know, I was going to let it go, but this guy actually attempted to bring my clear incompetence to the attention of the FAA while I'm sat in the UK making a video using Microsoft Flight Simulator. Anyway, on an unrelated note, I have to go and write an email to Boeing because at work I keep seeing this light telling me that the left overwing exit is open, but when I go and check, it's bloody closed. It's happening every day. Someone needs to tell them. I think I'll send it later.